gonna try bleach first because whatever. And obviously I haven't cleaned over everything, but just a couple of minutes of scrubbing, y'all can see the difference. Especially this side. This side looks like, I won't say brand new, but looks somewhat clean. So I'm gonna try bleach, and then I'll give y'all an update. All right, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I just got off the phone with my mom. As you can see, we have some extra ingredients here. So I got a new bucket, and she basically told me for these red spots in the shoe to just soak it in a bucket of water with bleach and some detergent. And if it messes up, worst case scenario, it messes up. There might be some sizes in between that are missing, but if you say your size with one of those shoes that I just mentioned, and we have your size, whoever's first, I'm gonna just reply to. And I really want to make this like a kind of series, especially now that I know that I can get the mold out of my shoes. I can go get the rest of the shoes. It's just really annoying and a pain just to go back and forth just to throw away trash. So I kind of just left a lot of stuff there and just gonna deal with that at another time.